Avengers Endgame, Marvel made this huge mistake with Benedict Cumberbatch as a Doctor Strange character and no one noticed it. Benedict Cumberbatch starring Doctor Strange first came in 2016 and went on to become one of the highest grossing films of Marvel Cinematic Universe. He appeared in two films later, Avengers Infinity War and Avengers Endgame. Last year when Marvel launched its Phase 4, they revealed that the second part of the superhero movie will be released in March 2022. Quite a long wait, isn't it? It was scheduled to release in November 2021, but due to ongoing coronavirus pandemic, Marvel too hard to reschedule their movies and series in Phase 4. Avengers Endgame broke almost all the box office records after the re-release of the film, adding all the unseen footage. The film was directed by the Russo brothers and they have made it with all their heart and brains without leaving any potholes to note for the die-hard Marvel fans. But did you know they made one goof up with Doctor Strange storyline and hardly anyone noticed it? Why all remember when all the existing Avengers who didn't get snapped did a time heist to get their hands on the Infinity Stone before Thanos? Mark Ruffalo's Hulk, aka Bruce Banner, went to New York back in 2012 to collect Time Stone from the Ancient One. At that time, she was protecting the Sanctum Sanctorium in New York from Chitauri. In Avengers Endgame, Ancient One first tells Hulk that she can give him the Time Stone. She says it's the duty of the Sorcerer Supreme to protect the Time Stone. Ancient One explains that if Avengers alter time, it would create a split in the multi-universe and that would cause a lot of problems in the existing timelines and that there would be no Time Stone to rectify it. Hulk then tells her that Doctor Strange gave it away to Thanos. That's when the Ancient One realizes if he had given it, there must be a reason. She tells Banner, Strange is must to be the best of us. Now, this scene from Avengers Endgame reminded us of Benedict Cumberbatch 2016 to Doctor Strange. In that film, Ancient One at Kamar-Taj was against the idea of having Strange and how she doesn't want another best student to betray her. But in Endgame, she is sitting with Doctor Strange and called him the best in the business. In the 2016 film, she tells Mordo that Strange is not worth her time and kicks him and throws him out of the Kamar-Taj. Stubbornness, arrogance, ambition, I have seen it all before. I cannot lead another gifted student to power only to lose him to the darkness. The Ancient One tells Mordo, referring to Caecilius, who she trained before Strange, and he took the dark path. Strange wasn't the part of the conversation between Mordo and One. So, if in 2012 she knew Doctor Strange was the best, why she was against the idea of teaching him the skills in 2016? We understand that she can't see the future beyond her death, so she didn't see the event of Infinity War. But in 2012, 4 years before Strange meets her, she believed that he is the best among them and gave away Time Stone to a complete stranger. How and why? She is meant to protect it from the world. Something doesn't click here, but only the makers can solve this query now. Please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Also, if you are interested in the gaming channel, our second gaming channel link in the description given below. Please check out this channel and subscribe this